some okra today. I don't know if you like okra, but I read recently that horses can eat okra. Just the pods, like the people, not the stem. So I brought a piece. That's way too big for me to eat. I've got like 20 plants growing in my farmer's place. Oh, you don't even know if you like it. Give it a second. A moment. Okay, let me cut it because I don't want you to have too big of a piece. It's a big piece, so it's a little tough. Give me a second. Okay, all right. Oh, Jesus. So grabby. It's here. How do you feel about that? You're okay with it. You like it? So, I love this. Instead of throwing away the okra that gets too big, excuse me, I can bring it to you. This makes me very happy. You like okra. Well, look at that. Oh, maybe you don't like okra. Did you mean to throw that little piece? You got this. Maybe you don't like okra. Shall we try it again? You ate the first piece. The second piece. Try it again. See how you feel. It's gonna be a no on okra. It's a no, huh? It's not for you. It's probably good for you. It's gonna be a no on the okra.